I built the exact same task management app using two AI platforms, Google AI Studio and Biela.dev. Both promise to build full apps with just prompts. But one of them completely surprised me and the other nearly broke halfway through. Let's find out which AI actually builds better. I've seen so many AI tools claim they can build your startup for you, and as a builder, I wanted to test that. So I gave both tools the same challenge. Build a simple task management app with add, delete and complete functions, no manual coding, just AI. And here is what happened. At first glance, they look similar. Clean editors, smart AIs, easy prompts, but they're built for totally different people. Google AI Studio is Google's playground for their Gemini 2.5 Pro and Flash models. It's free, to some extent, lightweight and perfect for fast prototyping. You get a built-in API tester, prompt suggestions for new features and even thinking mode enabled by default, so Gemini can reason through your prompts. Biela.dev, on the other hand, feels like a full product studio. It supports multiple LLMs like Gemini, Claude and so on, has a dedicated plan mode to organize your project before you code, and even integrates with Getty images for visuals, and you also get free hosting, easy Supabase database setup, and a roadmap view that tracks every feature the AI adds. They sound close, but once I started building, the differences were massive. Starting with Google AI Studio was fast. You describe what you want, build me a task management app, and Gemini immediately generates React code you can test right in the browser. The interface is super clean and the free plan has no token limits, at least for now, but it's locked to Gemini only. There's no project planning mode, and if you forget to hit save before refreshing, you lose pretty much everything. Learned that the hard way. When I switched to Biela.dev, the workflow changed completely. First, plan mode asked me to outline features, a small thing, but it made the AI's output way smarter. Then in build mode, it created a polished UI automatically, it integrated Supabase for data in just a few clicks, and even offered to generate imagery through its content studio. It felt less like coding and more like collaborating with a product team. The only catch? Those 200k free tokens disappear very fast once you build complex features. Side by side, both apps work. Google AI Studio gave me a prototype, functional but pretty minimal, and I had to fix a few bugs manually, and we can see that we do have a dashboard that shows me the total number of tasks that we have, how many we've completed, how many are due today, and how many are overdue. We also have a category system and we can create a new category here. Let's say a new category. I'm gonna click on add, and then we have here the new category, and we can go to all tasks and we'll see here how many tasks we have, and we can create a new one. Let's say new task. This is gonna be simple description. I can select the status here and it's going to be a to do, priority low, category, let's say new category, due date, let's say December 10th 2025, create task, and now I can see the category here and move it to change the status. And if I will set it to do, and then I'll go back to the dashboard, we do have total tasks 1, and we can see our tasks here. And now if I will move it to progress, let's see if anything changed. Nothing yet. And if I will move it to done, let's see now, we do have one task completed and completion 100%, which is very good. Biela.dev looked production ready right out of the box, with a real database and hosting link included. In this case, Biela created a login system too, and because I only have one account, I created a try demo account. I can see again a dashboard with total tasks, active tasks, completed and overdue. I have here a dark theme mode, which I really like, and a notification button and also an export button, which I did not ask for, but it created it for me. And now if I will take a look here, I can see that we do have a new task button, and let's create a new task name, task description. Here we do have a category, and in this case it seems that I cannot create a new category, but I don't really care about that. I didn't ask for it anyway. So let's say work or personal. We also have a priority system here. Let's say medium, due date. Let's pick a date and then let's create the task. We have that beautiful animation, and I can see here that we have 0 of 1 tasks completed, active tasks 1, total tasks 1, and down here I can see my task that I can edit first, change the name, change the title, the category, and so on, and again that beautiful animation, or I can actually mark it as complete. Again, a beautiful animation, and our dashboard is updated accordingly, which I really like. It seems that I do have here some search and filtering system and also a sort system, which I really enjoy. Let's create a few more tasks here. And now I can filter the tasks based on my priority. Let's say medium, we have only 1. We also have only 1 high priority task and 2 low priority tasks here. Categories, work, there is no task, personal, 2 tasks, and shopping, again 2 tasks, and we can sort them by date created, due date, priority, and alphabetically. Let's say due date, and we do have sorted by due date. And it is beautiful. In this case, we can actually see that one is more like a lab experiment, while the other one feels like a launchpad. Now let's break down the highlights. Let's start with Google AI Studio. Now, the pros for Google AI Studio are pretty much like this. It's totally free for now. There are no prompt limits. Instant Gemini 2.5 Pro or Flash integration for easy AI-based SaaS ideas. It has built-in API tester and clear interface. It has thinking mode turned on by default and smart prompts suggestions. When it comes to the cons, Google AI Studio is limited to Gemini only. There are no other models. There is no planning mode or media studio. There is a manual save system. If you refresh the page without saving, you lost the work. And it requires a technical know-how to debug errors like minified React 31, which can be problematic. And for now, as far as I know, there is no Firebase integration. You pretty much have to wire it yourself, and the design output is pretty basic. You have to guide it with detailed prompts. Now, when we're talking about Biela.dev, we have a few very important pros, like multiple LLMs with different costs and abilities. We have a beautiful UI generated automatically. There is no micromanaging. The plan mode and the roadmap keep you organized, which is very important. It has Getty Images integration and built-in image editor with an AI, one-click Supabase integration and free hosting, which is very important. It has customizable AI rules, feature tracking, and easy team sharing. And it has an active real-time support. When we're talking about the cons, the free tiers 200k tokens run out quickly on larger builds. If you're building a SaaS that uses AI behind the scenes, you'll need pretty solid prompt engineering skills to guide the AI that powers your app, not just the AI that builds it. Database is limited to Supabase unless you integrate others manually. Some features are locked behind paid tiers, and large-scale apps can get pricey pretty fast, though they're still far cheaper than hiring a dev team. So which one actually wins? If you just want to prototype with Gemini and you're comfortable debugging code, Google AI Studio is fantastic. It's fast, free, and powerful. But if you're a solo founder or no-code creator who wants to go from idea to live product, Biela.dev is miles ahead. It's not just an AI builder, it's an ecosystem that helps you plan, design, and ship. Because building faster isn't about how quick AI writes code, it's about how fast you can launch. So between these two AI builders, which one actually builds better? For me, Biela.dev takes the win this time. But what's clear is that AI tools are evolving insanely fast, and the way we build is changing with them. The future of building isn't about who codes better, it's about who uses AI smarter.